Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Trust you all are doing absolutely great. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create trending AI images. So you may have seen this kind of 3D text effect or other AI designs and you don't know how to go about it. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can achieve this. So I designed my brand name JX using artificial intelligence, as you can see, on a building, and it's really is looking really cool. And then if you scroll, you'll see that I did a virtual design also using my brand initials, and this was done using AI, and it's looking good actually. And then so this is a 2024 3D test effect, and it was done using AI, and it's looking really nice, as you can see. And this is my brand name on a farm like background with the visuals and the rest. So what I'm going to do next now is to show you guys how to achieve this, and without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we have to do here is to go straight to our browser. I'll be using Chrome for this tutorial. So as you can see, I just go straight to my Chrome browser, and then I'm going to just search on Bing AI image generator. As you can see, the first thing that pop out, you click on it. All right, I need to enable my data. So let's search again. So once you click on it, you are going to click on the first search request that pops out, which is image creator from Microsoft Designer. So you click on it, and you're gonna wait while it loads the platform. So once the platform has been loaded, all you need to do is to create an account. All right. So because I already have an account, that's why I'm seeing this surprise me, but I'm just going to try to log around now. So guys, once this website has loaded, you're going to see the option to join and create. So we're just going to click on it and then register first before we start with our creation. So I'm just going to click on this, and then I'll be prompted to sign in with a personal account or sign in with a work or school account. I'm going to click sign in with a personal account. So once I click on this, I'm going to be asked to sign in with Microsoft account. So because I already have an account, I won't go through the process of creating a new one. But if you haven't created an account yet, it's actually very easy, pretty very simple. So you're going to click on create one, and then you will create with your Google account, and that's all, your password, and then everything is ready. But because I already have an account, I'll just go straight to log in with my account. So I'll click on this, and then I'll sign in with my Microsoft account, the password, and sign in. All right. So guys, I'm going to be asked to verify my account because I think I added extra security um to my email. So I'm going to verify this now, and I'll come back and continue with the tutorial. Guys, I've just verified my account, so I'll just click on stay signed in. All right. The next thing to do here now is to type in your AI prompt. So if you check here, you will see want to see how image creators work. Select surprise me, then create. So if you select surprise me, AI is going to just create a random stuff for you. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use a prompt that I used earlier in order for me to show you how this is done. All right. So you can actually use ChatGPT to get awesome and amazing prompts if you don't know how to go about the prompt. But I'm going to go with one of the prompts I have saved there. Okay, so I'll just go to my WhatsApp, and then I will copy this. So these are the prompts I used earlier. So I'll come over here and I'll paste that prompt. So guys, this prompt says create a very nice 3D test fit with the name JS crafted in between a duplex with the name showing very clear and a Nigerian flag at the top of the building. The color of the name should be milk, should be red milk and white combination. You can actually change this to anything of your choice, to what you desire actually. So once you've typed them, so this is the prompt, you just click on create. All right, okay, before we click on create, just like I explained earlier in my previous video, this website gives you 15 free coins to use and create your prompt. And once it's finished, you won't get to create any other prompt again. So 15 coins per day. So you have to make good use of the 15 prompts and make sure you're creating something really important to you. So now I'm just going to click on create and wait while it loads. So this will just take a while and then your designs will be ready. So you can actually use this to create a 2024 3D test effects and whatever designs you feel like creating. As you can see, this is more like the design that I showed you guys earlier. If you scroll, you'll see them. As you can see, JX with different designs. You can actually decide to save them. To save your designs, you just need to come over to this three horizontal dots here, and then you click on download. So this will download it in a very high quality to your phone. So don't long press. For any long press, the quality will be that high enough, so it won't be that quality won't be good enough. So just click on here and then download it to the best quality. All right, so you can download. So guys, you can download as many as you want. Just keep on downloading and downloading. All right, so guys, thank you guys for watching, and if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe, like the video, and also click on the bell icon so you'll be the first.